home prices do this fall? Supply and demand has always dictated the price of the home. The market is always evolving, and is our current market changing? How will it affect your home in the coming months? Hi, once again, this is Brett Parcell, the president of RXB Realty, and let's take a look at what experts are saying about the future of the real estate market. Let's start by looking at the housing demand. This graph clearly shows a downward trend back to what we saw prior to 2020. With all the changes we have seen in the last 2 years, from higher interest rates to the pandemic changing the way buyers view homes, we had a major increase for housing. Now that we are coming into the end of 2022, demand along with sales are beginning to drop. We know that the low interest rate environment in the last 2 years brought lots of buyers into the housing market. Now that we are seeing rising rates, it is now driving many of those buyers out. Showing time is also seeing a decline in demand, and this slide doesn't even show the most recent month's activity. Overall in our area, it is definitely showing a market shift in 2022, but it is just going back to a normal market. Stay tuned for more information about the future of the Northwest real estate market. I'm Brett Parcell with RXB Realty, where we make your real estate dreams come true by giving you results, not excuses.